Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of an awesome front living fifth wheel. This is the 2024 Ahara 380FL, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. This particular RV has 5 slides, 3 ACs, and a bath and a half, along with 430 watts of solar, H-rated Cooper tires, upgraded insulation, and 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. This is a pretty sweet ride if you are looking for a front living camper. It's also got a lot of storage, back in the back too. But all of the specification, including a link for the price, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff you can find down in the description of this video. But I hope you guys are having, a wonderful day. If you don't mind, drop a comment, say hello. You have no idea how much that helps. And then if you really like the video, hit that like and subscribe button, and tune in for daily RV content. Today I'm down at the Ahara factory where they actually make, the Blackthorns, the Tanderas, the Aharas. There's a lot of good stuff coming out of here. So I lined up 9 campers for me to come up and record today. So if you guys like this lineup, but you're looking for a different floor plan, there will be an Ahara playlist down in my profile as well. So that might suit you a little bit better. 2024 Ahara 380FL, 4 seasons package, baby. That's going to be tank heaters, added insulation into the floor and the roof. Little sneak peek of Rooski here of the kitchen with dual opposing slides. A ton of walk around room around the island, but in a pretty compact area, you actually get a lot of good room and a lot of good stuff. Bedroom, and then an awesome bathroom in the back with a ton of space. But since this is a front living, it would be an injustice to not start in the front living. Pretty classic setup up here, with a couple twists. Ahara is pretty darn light and bright, but I like how they darkened up, that front wall. You have the accent lighting. These sofas right here, as you can probably imagine, they do pull out to make a bed, and that's why front livings are year after year, one of the best-selling campers in the entire RV industry, and that's why they don't really change all that much, is because, man, even though this is a couple's coach, you can easily sleep 4 grandkids up here, or, a couple, adult couple or two, no problemo. Plus, you got some really plush, comfortable theater seating directly across from your TV, where you can really make this like a movie theater mode. I always imagine crack on that TV, which has 4 different coloring modes, puts out a ton of heat. I'm sorry, the fireplace. And just really enjoy the time up here. This is also going to be a 65-inch TCL Roku TV. So it is a smart TV, so you can play, your Netflix, whatever, Amazon, whatever movie system that you're using, you can do it. But pretty darn cool. You also get some speakers. You also, notice the storage that I'm probably opening here, unless you got it and you're walking away from the screen. Pull-out sofa, theater seating, powered, outlets, places to put your stuff. You also get a lot of windows. Both slides are going to be identical. So 3 windows with an emergency exit, 3 windows, emergency exit, and then an easy pull sofa as well. I also like the coloring, of the floor. I think it matches up really good with that charcoal finish. You also get a lot of good slide height in here. So, I am I'm 6 feet tall, and then you got about 6'3" or so for head height. 3 ACs with the, I believe it's the one in the back, has a heat pump. So you got the fireplace up here, heat pump in the back, so really good, extra electric heat. But each window is going to come with, the day shade and the night shade. So half Dracula and full Dracula, emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. But man, a classic floor plan with the Ahara twist, and I love the Ahara lineup. They're relatively new. They're definitely skyrocketing as far as sales are concerned. They're doing some really good things, but I've sold them for, a number of years now, between, the East to West brand, the Delaterra, the Alta is a fantastic travel trailer too. They got a lot of great options, but from top to bottom, I mean, from least expensive to expensive, they just do a really good job. Dual opposing slides here in the kitchen. So you got your Mac Daddy 12-volt refrigerator with a big old residential oven, an island with flip-up countertops and accent lighting. But you also notice it's pretty darn thick too, which I'm a big fan of. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You got flip-up countertops, stainless steel undermounted bowl as well. So that way, well, I don't know, it looks good. But right here, you got a high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. This is pretty cool too. You know, trust me, you will never leave that behind anywhere. I am in sales. My kids would have that thing in the woods, you know, in a heartbeat. But the idea of it is very, very cool. You got a pull-out trash can right here, and it's also got a little mini cutting board right there too. You know, cut up some jalapenos, some onions, some tomatoes. Make yourself a good old little salsa. Pantry with the adjustable shelving. Who doesn't like a good pantry with adjustable shelving? I mean, come on, let's be real. That's awesome. You got the residential sized microwave, and then this oven, 4 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings, and enough room to plop a turkey in there. That is a great feature to have in an RV. Right here, you got a beautiful looking backsplash, kind of that like that marble-esque look to it, but you also get an outlet. I'd turn this into my drink zone, you know, with maybe like a little bourbon cabinet, you know, or something like that. And then underneath here, boom. Flip it around, you do have a slide for your dinette and a half bath. So the dinette slide height is going to be about 6'4", you know, which is definitely nice. Porcelain thrown in here. They even extended the countertops, you know, over into here also, which is a little bit of a rarity. Usually places will start kind of cheapening out in the half bath just because they think, you know, maybe it's not as important or maybe people won't notice. I don't know. No carpet, no places to slam your knee into anything. That never feels good. Plus, you get a little place where you can sneak away, you know, some utensils or maybe like a couple decks of cards, something like that. You know, whoop up on your neighbors, Meg and Chris, and some euchre. Bada bing, bada boom. I mean, imagine sitting there with a good view. Wouldn't get much better than that. That is just cool. Cool, cool, cool. Now, up into the bedroom, I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. One, if you're living in the thing, you get an absolute massive, massive amount of storage. But you also get a beautiful little east to west slide bed. You got some reading lights. You got windows on both sides for good breezes. But this is the part that I really like. The bedroom and this. You got the TV with an attitude. Emergency exit countertop where you could still probably get a little bit of work done. You know, Mr. Johnson, I would definitely love to sell you a camper. Boom. 4 pull-out drawers. Place where you can hang your nighties. My wife would have like 5 robes up in there, and they'd all be cheetah print, looking exactly the same. I love that lady. She cracks me up. Probably one of the funniest humans you'll ever meet. And if you're heading to the Dallas RV party, or the Funtown RV party in Dallas-Fort Worth area, I will be down there, and I think we got a sitter for the kids. So my wife, Miss Arvana White, can come and join us too. So that would be pretty darn awesome. About as awesome as the amount of league champs that bad boy's gotten right there. The old bowling gun. We started off this session so rough. Between people just getting sick, me traveling more for work. And then last 2 weeks we've smoked everybody, you know, and gotten the full point load. And now we should be back up near the top where we belong. 1-piece fiberglass. Fancy pants shower. You also got enough height to where I don't really even need to head up there. I mean, you can see that it's a big enough shower. Probably looking at about 6'5" up into the sunroof. And then right here, you're prepped up for your washer and dryer and the adjustable shelves. That is cool. Have not seen adjustable shelves in a closet like this before. That is neat for sure. But all right. We're cooking today. It's a good day. It's starting to warm up. I get to go home tonight, spend a couple days with the family, and man, just enjoy it. That's for sure. But again, it's the 2024 Ahara 380FL. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description of this video. So feel free to utilize that if this is something that interests you, for sure. Dual awnings over here. You can also see that solar panel, 430 watts, the 2,000 watt inverter. So that'll help you run that refrigerator. Oh, all the outlets too are inverted. Pretty good sized pass-through storage for you to put a couple bodies in there, or possibly, you know, some of the kids or something want to sleep in there. If not, it's wide enough to where you could probably put a canoe in or something. It's also got the link for the tire pressure monitoring system The 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, the steps that flip up into the doorway. I love the way that the Aharas look with that square window and the black blocking. You also get Azdale sidewalls as well, which is a little bit upgraded for sure. And then you got the Cooper H-rated tires with the MoRide 3000 CRE suspension. So it's going to be a little bit of a smoother ride. But let me take, need 2 hands to open this bad boy. Magnetic latches into an awesome storage back over here. And you notice the docking station is actually going to be right here too. They're usually, you know, up in the front. So that's pretty cool. Below me as well is going to be an LP Quick Connect where you can hook up, you know, a grill or something of that nature. But I really like this. One, you get a towing package where you can hook up, you know, some good stuff. 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound weight rating. But you get a tray that can pull out just to make life, you know, a little bit easier. So that's pretty darn cool. Another little storage similar to the one I just showed you right here with the black tank flush, which is going to be a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. You also have your sewer outlet connection right here. And then this is going to be that docking station. So you get an outside shower, all electric valves too, which is pretty darn cool in the Aharas. You know, you just open that up and let the, you know, the stuff run out for you. You also got a black tank flush, so it's a sprinkler system for your poop tank. Hot and cold water, outlets, bypass valves, really all the works. 50 amp unit that can run all 3 ACs, but if you're at a 30 amp connection, you can still run 2 ACs. So if you're not camping somewhere that's, you know, screeching hot, you can work off of 30 amps, no problem. So do not let that get in the way of your camping experience or your trip. Place for the old Stinky Slinky right there, along with the Suburban on-demand hot water heater, battery disconnect, cap lights, propane, and then the place where you can control your auto leveling. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2024 Ahara 380FL. Have a great day. See you.